Dude, there's so many bugs. I'm so hot. I think I'm gonna start crying. I am. When you're ready to move.
What are you doing, buddy?
I'm tarantula checking.
I come out of the bathroom, I see Kristen on the floor with a flashlight, checking for tarantulas. We're off to a good start here. Okay, we're going piranha fishing.
You disturb the water a little bit, and then you're gonna put the meat on the water, okay? Because piranhas, they like movement or something dying in the water.
Well, I catch a piranha and I fling it up because we're literally fishing with sticks. And so I feel it bite and I fling it up. Well, when I fling it up, this fish flies off the hook and lands pretty much in Jordan's lap. And I'm like,
oh my
is
God.
that a piranha?
Oh my God, I literally just saw my life flash before my eyeballs.
Jordan's gonna bite me. He's got sharp teeth right there. Oh,
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you do that one.
Pass the fish.
So yeah, we went piranha fishing, and then from there,
so fun.
we went to a swim spot.
And then after that, we went caiman spotting, which is crocodile spotting.
No. Wait. So, if you're on the edges, could hand the boat, would be perfect.
His voices.
Very, very pissed off. Yeah.
Oh, he's mad.
Yeah, very mad. So, guys, this is the Chinga caiman, okay? The biggest species. Olha a mamãe. That's mommy coming.
Oh my God. Oh no.
So, yeah.
His mom?
Yeah.
Mom, stay nearby?
What do you think they're calling?
Okay.
Oh, well, put her back in.
Yeah.
Let her go home to mom.
Okay?
Ciao.
Bye, baby.
But overall, Amazon day one done. It has been incredible. We're loving it here so far. This is exactly what we love doing, is getting out and exploring, and I feel like we're finally back to doing what we do best. But we're about to go to bed.
And I hope we have a good night's sleep with no bugs.
Yeah.
Keep you up. More to come.
Okay, good night.
Our first night's sleep in the jungle. How did we go?
Well, we did really well, I think. But we took our malaria pills, and Kristen woke up at like midnight to go to the bathroom, and I was so, what did I say?
The malaria makes you really confused, and Jordan goes, "Good morning, it's breakfast?" And I was like, no.
I was like ready to get up and go have a coffee. Like, I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna miss
And then
our
I
tour.
was like at an angle trying to walk in this place at dark. I was like, what is going on?
I kept waking up every hour when this aircon would turn on, and I'd go, I was like, what is this?
Doing well.
Well, let's go for day 2. Good to go. We're in the jungle. Actually, so hot out here. I was looking at my back, I was like, oh, I don't have like sweat marks yet. And then I looked at my back, I was like, oh my God.
I have a different UV shirt on today, and it's like tighter, and I don't know if it's better, like it's more cooling than that one because my arms are fine. But like whenever I stand in the sun, it doesn't matter. I'm like roasting.
These hats are essential though.
Yeah.
These are one of the best purchases that I think we've had.
Yeah. Like, look at how many butterflies.
Oh, we're like in a butterfly farm.
Urucum is like a natural painting, you know? The indigenous used to use.
Oh, a smiley face. Kristen's experiencing a massive
I'm overheating.
heat flash.
Really overheating. No, I'm like actually overheating right now.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay.
Oh, fuck! I have a bit, bro. Yeah,
This zone is mosquito infected everywhere.
Literally everyone was just spraying mosquito spray for like 5 seconds.
Oh, there are spikes here,
Oh,
okay?
oh.
Oh my God.
You know the film Rio?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one species. With the red one.
Welcome to our first power outage from the Amazon rainforest.
This happens supposedly a lot here. So they kind of like warned us of that, of like always keep your stuff charged. Don't get too comfortable with the AC because it could go out.
We were just saying how excruciatingly hot it's been and how we've been so tired because of the heat. And apparently the power was tired too.
I think it probably got overheated because I'm also overheated. Normally, when there's a power outage, you have to redo the breakers because they'll click off. But these didn't click off. No.
Okay, wait.
Jordan, you have so much
I
stuff on your
know. I can't see.
Alright, people. We are out of power in the Amazon rainforest.
Like completely out of power?
The whole community is out of power. Supposedly there was a break in one of the lines, so the whole entire community in this area of the Amazon is out of power.
So hot. I'm literally hallucinating. It's so hot.
I'm sticking to my clothes. And I'm not gonna lie, I cannot do the Amazon with no AC. Guys.
I'm not having a really good night. Oh, that's fresh mouth poop.
What?
Go look at it. No, I'm serious.
No.
I'm serious, Kristen. Look at it. It's piping hot. You guys, I want to go home. Oh. What is it? What is it? What did you do?
I heard the mosquito.
Don't do that again, Kristen. Don't do that again.
Oh my god. We've got to get out of here.
Seriously, what kind of poop is that?
It looks like a herbivore because it looks like lettuce.
Did you do a mouse check?
What do you want me to do now? Why can't you do the mouse check?
I've been put through a lot today.
That's
Where? Oh, the mosquito? Yeah.
Is that a mosquito?
Clap, clap, clap.
What do you mean?
Clap, just clap.
No. I'm about to get in mine. Well, just put your thing on.
Kristen, well, I have poop in my bed.
What do you want me to do?
I need your help identifying the poop and removing
I have no cell service.
I need your help. I need your help. I'm going delusional.
Dude, there's so many bugs. I'm so hot. I think I'm gonna start crying. I am. I'm so hot. I don't like it here.
Wait, you're sobbing.
I want to go home. Honestly, I love the Amazon, just not the hot and no AC and all the bugs and the poop, and I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes.
I don't know. I'm contemplating life or death right now. I might go back to that piranha section. Okay, we're really over this, so let's put the net on.
Supposedly this is going to protect me from everything. It smells like an old Halloween costume. I don't think we were cut out for the Amazon.
It's like a little mattress cover, Kristen.
Oh god. Wait, I kind of love this. It's like a fort.
Good job.
Here we are. I'm so hot.
Does it move? It doesn't move.
Are you kidding?
Oh look, great, there's holes. Oh my god. Oh my god. What if the mouse comes out? I'm moving her bed.
There you go.
Ta-da!
Someone help!
Good morning, everyone. It's currently 5:20 a.m.
You can see we only have flashlights.
We lost power once again in the middle of the night.
Oh!
Kristen, what?
Oh,
Where?
I'm sorry. What does one do?
Kristen, I'd be really careful. It looks like he's in attack mode.
Literally, there's a spider just crawling up my mosquito net on my bed. And then we were like, fight or flight. Do we try to kill it? Or do we let it be and it possibly be roaming in our presence? So I tried to kill it.
Which is the wrong thing to do.
Don't do
because
that.
they're going to come back for you and they're going to try to bite you. And we did lose the spider. And we did get out of the room as quick as possible.
Yeah. We're going on a hike for 3 hours in the jungle.
A nut tree.
It's a incense repellent, you know.
fearless scent stick.
Yeah, I nestled myself strategically in between the two people who have the mosquito sticks.
They use the pashuba tree like the telephone jungle, you know, because
Oh my god. That scared me.
Wow.
it goes very far.
Whoa.
It's better than stay screaming all the time. So people would develop a method in order to recognize who is lost and who is looking for someone.
Oh god.
Relax, it's not
Why am
gonna
I
bite you.
Is that a worm?
Yes,
Oh, this is what I used to feed my lizards. Maggots.
yes.
Lizards, this.
Eatable.
Oh no.
Maggots.
Eat them.
Yes.
No way.
Yes.
Do oh no. No. You try it.
No, he gave them to you first.
One each then.
Oh, good.
Good.
No way.
Why don't you go first?
Okay.
Wait.
Oh!
It's not.
You chew it?
Yes.
Can you get my water ready for me? Just in case?
Yeah. Chew it. Chew it. Chew it, chew it, chew it.
How was it?
It's fine. It was sweet.
Yeah, I told you so.
Oh my god, you should feel my heart is literally beating so fast. I just can't believe I did that. Oh my god. Our last day in the Amazon.
Over and out.
Over and
Where to next, y'all? Back to the city.
back to the city.
When you're ready to move.